Good evening and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. On tonight's menu, Cilantro-Lime shrimp tacos. The morning mise en place. Just after prep. The evening mise en place in order of appearance. All the goodies for the marinade for the shrimp. And the shrimp is going to marinate for about 20 minutes. All the goodies for the slaw. All the goodies combined in the bowl. Now the slaw is ready to go. All the goodies for the sauce. They come together in the bowl. Now the sauce is ready. The shrimp hits the hot pan. About halfway through cooking. Here's the lineup. About halfway through the buildup. And now the final presentation. Thank you for joining me here at the Casual Chef's Kitchen. I hope you enjoy the presentation. Have fun cooking.